In this short training video, I will show you how to do a USDT or a USDC ERC20 transfer from your Trust wallet. First, open your Trust wallet located on your phone. If you recall, in the first training video, I showed you how to add tokens. But as a reminder, you can either select the icon that says Add Tokens, or click the icon that's located at the top right-hand corner of the screen. From there you will be able to select the tokens that you want to use in your Trust wallet. To add a new token, search for the token in the search bar located at the top of your screen, and when you find the token that you want to add, turn on the toggle switch. I will add the Gala token just as an example, to show you how it's done. Now you will see that the Gala token is available and located on your home screen. You can add as many tokens as you would like, or you can keep it simple and just use a basic selection of tokens. The choice is yours, but in order to have access to the token it first must be added. If you don't see the token that you're looking for, then you will manually add it as previously demonstrated. Next, to send USDT or USDC ERC20, you're going to need Ethereum in your Trust wallet to cover the gas fees. Gas fees can fluctuate depending on the value of Ethereum, the time of day, and the blockchain activity. When you are managing tokens in a decentralized wallet, there is no set gas fee like when sending from an exchange. With a decentralized wallet, you are in control of your tokens, which also means that you are responsible to cover the gas fees. There are 3 ways to add Ethereum to your Trust wallet. The first way is you can purchase Ethereum using a third-party provider like MoonPay, for example. Click on the buy icon and you can find the third-party provider that offers the best rates. Keep in mind that the fees can get expensive doing it this way, and some banks will give you a hard time buying crypto. The second way is you can swap tokens. For example, you can swap USDT for Ethereum, but the catch is in order to swap tokens, you also need some Ethereum to cover the gas fees for the swap. The third, and simplest way to add Ethereum to your Trust wallet is to purchase the Ethereum on an exchange like CoinZoom or Coinbase and transfer it to your Trust wallet. Click on Receive and copy your Ethereum wallet address. Use this address to transfer Ethereum from your favorite crypto exchange. This is the recommended method. Bottom line is you always want to make sure you have some Ethereum in your decentralized wallet to cover the gas fees. You will also notice that your Ethereum wallet address will match your USDT ERC20 address. If you want to check your gas fees to see how expensive or how much gas you may need, go to etherscan.io and check the Ethereum gas tracker. Typically, I recommend keeping a minimum of $50 to $100 of Ethereum in your Trust wallet at all times, to cover gas fees. Remember, you cannot send USDT or USDC ERC20 without having some Ethereum in your wallet. Hope this helps. By the way, you are killing it. Keep up the great work.